Muvia wa Uiiti niwaelesya kana vena munene wa kwongeleka kwa Uwau kanza vala kila mwaka enenthi mbee wa ngili 29 matiawaa ni thayu nikumana na Uwau na andu ngili 44 maikwatikana na Uwau kanza kila mwaka va Kenya. Minista muviani wa Uiiti Aden Duale eweta kana silikali niyikiite mawalanyo mwanya kwisila kinandu cha kuungamia Uwau kanza vala yongelete kinandu kiu kuma silingi ngili mana 5 ngili mana nyanya kwa kila musie na yelani itambia ye mwanya ya kumaolela enenthi mukuo wa ngalama nene ya kuthinikia Uiiti wa Uwau wa kanza anena kavinda kala wethi wa atambukite kuthima kisese cha kanza sipitalini munene wa Kwasya General County ya Mombasa. Angelina Moseni livota witu kuma Mombasa.
Enene ya sivitali ni munene wa Kwasya General va County ya Mombasa. Minista muviani wa Uiiti Aden Duale niwaelesya kana yusiko ina ile sikinyite munene sietete uya munene wa Uwau wa kanza vala andu ngili 29 matiawaa ni thayu kila mwaka ngili 44 maikwatikana ni Uwau.
Close to 29,000 Kenyans die every year, and close to 44,000 Kenyans are diagnosed every year. So it's a top priority for both the county government and for the national government health sector reform. So we have coordinated that and agreed that we are going to pay for the service level agreement so that the companies that brought these machines will service these machines 24/7 so that there is no patient who will wait in the queue because the machine is down.
Nukuetakana silikali ni vanete kutethesya mesi ila yina Uwau wa kanza kwa kumongela ilovia sya Uiiti wa Uwau thini wa kinandu cha kuma silingi ngili mana 5 nginya silingi ngili mana nyanya itambe ila ukuetakana ni vanete kwikithia vaie musi unatiwa na ucha nundu wa kuitia Uwau.
You are aware the Social Health Authority has enhanced the oncology benefit package now from the 550 to 800,000 per patient or per household. This is a very historic move, and this is to protect our families from the catastrophic spending that has historically driven many of them into poverty following when they are diagnosed with cancer.
Ingiyunu awetakana kanza ya usika na cervical kanza niyo tongoete kwa kilungu kinene awetakana silikali niyikiite mawalanyo mwanya kwikithia kana alame na Uwau ni makwata Uiiti ula wailite masivitalini kwa kuwete masini ila siailite.
Cervical cancer is a leading cause of cancer related deaths in Kenya, yet it's preventable. We are resolving operational bottlenecks such as the shortage of the equipment, the applicators, the imaging reagents through a pool procurement and improved planning through KEMSA so that we ensure no woman is turned away because those items are missing. As we combat the cancer scourge in our country, we must also protect the foundation of our nation. That is the mother and the child. And that is why both the county governments and the national government led by the president, we are committed to make sure that no mother dies in any health facility in our country.
Kuna ardhi hapa katika eneo letu la Kwasya General. Tunataka tujenge ward maalum ambao kwamba itakuwa ni ward ya saratani. Wengi wagonjwa wakija hapa ni watu ambao kwamba ni maskini. Asa ile ambao kwamba itaweza kusimamia waweze kusimamia ya kwa wameweza kulazwa katika hospitali hapa na tutairegister hii center hii iwe ni registration yake kando na ile ambayo kwamba ni registration ya hospitali kuu.
Ngilivote ya vilingi wa mauvo kuma kauntini ya Mombasa nita wa Angelina Mose.